This just might be the golden ticket you've been waiting for to finally get your YouTube shorts to show up in the short shelf the way you've been wanting them to. And to prove it to you right at the start of this video, I just did this exact technique that I'm going to teach you in this video to one of my own YouTube shorts that is sitting on my brand new YouTube channel. And here are the results. Before I did this one simple thing, I had a short that I had made for my brand new YouTube channel and it wasn't getting any views and it wasn't getting picked up on the short shelf. I know you feel my pain when I say that. I know that that's something that so many creators are feeling, especially with this whole adaptation of the YouTube shorts. You're making them, you're putting them out there, but they're just not getting on the short shelf and you're just not getting that like take off moment. I'm going to show you a screen recording of my short shelf. I am currently in incognito mode, which you can see on the bottom of my screen. I'll of course put something up here on the screen so you can see what I'm seeing. But as I scroll through the shorts beta, wait for it, boom, right there is the video. It's playing. I'm gonna let it play. We're not gonna mess with that watch time situation. Just that fast, I was able to get one of my shorts up onto the short shelf, specifically placed in front of my ideal viewer. And that is a key part of this conversation. I'm gonna show you how I did it. I'm gonna show you another creator who's been leveraging this technique. We're gonna dig into the results that she's having. This could just be the thing that changes your channel. So at the end of this video, I want to hear from you guys. Are you going to try this technique on your YouTube shorts? If so, how are you going to use it? I'd love to know your thoughts on this little technique. If we haven't met before, my name is Liz. I am a channel manager and strategist, a YouTube mad scientist, and you can commonly find me on Clubhouse speaking on stages with some of the most amazing YouTube teachers out there on YouTube. Enough about that. Let's talk about how we can get your YouTube shorts on the short shelf. I'm going to go back to that example that I opened this video with and show you the simple thing that I did. Yes, I'm going to tell you the hack right at the beginning of this video, but I want you to stick around for the full video because it is more than just doing this. There is like a level up strategy behind it. I also want to talk to you about how you should be using this to target your ideal viewer and what that means. And we're going to get really data nerdy because I want to show you how this is working and I have a great example to back this up. So all I did was I added an additional hashtag to my shorts title. If you've been using shorts for a hot minute, you know that they strongly suggest that you write hashtag shorts in your title. If you are new to hashtag shorts and you just landed on this video, keep watching this video. It's going to be amazing for you, but I am going to link down below in the description box a whole playlist I have on how to upload YouTube shorts so that I got your back on that. But all I did, and you can see right here, is I added this one hashtag affirmations, because YouTube shorts are searchable by hashtags. So now if affirmations are your thing, if affirmations are your jam, and you want to really enjoy a whole bunch of YouTube shorts on affirmations, you can just go ahead and do the hashtag affirmations and all kinds of shorts pop up. So shorts are searchable by additional hashtags in the title. I know right now we're putting hashtags in the description box. You may even be putting hashtags in your tag section. I am suggesting that you put your hashtag in your title and be aware of how long that title is because you only have, I think it's 40 characters for YouTube shorts, but I'll figure out the right number and I'll put it up on the screen if I'm wrong. But now that I search by hashtag affirmations, I can see all kinds of different short videos that are popping up that have to do with hashtag affirmations. And I'm sure if I scrolled through the 3,000 affirmations, I would find another one of my videos on there. But now my short video is getting served up to my ideal audience. I want to show you a creator who is killing it at this. So hallesmith is a TikToker turned YouTuber and she is doing such an incredible job growing her channel. She has incredible content. She has over 1 million subscribers on TikTok and she is really using this technique to do some amazing things with her channel. So I have her here up on my screen. We're going to jump down to her short shelf and we are going to check out some amazing ways that she's using this technique. And yes, I was super easy for me to find her shorts because all I did was search hashtag Hallie. So if we jump into her short shelf, let's see. Okay, a big trend on TikTok is hashtag relatable. So she has done hashtag relatable, and now her videos, she's got she's got a couple of videos that are coming up in hashtag relatable. Let's go back and look at some of her other. So for example, in her video, she's got hashtag Hallie in the title. So now if I stumble upon her on the short shelf, I really like her video right there, super easy. I'm even gonna go back to it so that we see it. She's got that hashtag Hallie. Oh, why don't I just turn down the volume? That was a light bulb moment. So right there in her title, she's got her title, hashtag short, hashtag Hallie. Now, if I'm a curious viewer and I really, really loved her short, I can simply tap that hashtag Hallie and then check this out. So many more of her videos are popping up and I can binge watch her content. And some of these are getting like 1.5, 3.1, 1.6, 2.3. I mean, this girl is cleaning up in the views. But now let's say that this video that's getting 3.1 million views, so we know that's getting out like organically on the short shelf. That gets out organically. Somebody finds her, somebody falls in love with her, they hit the hashtag Hallie, and now they are in her vortex of content. So that is how you can be using this to really do some amazing things with your channel. Something I talk about all the time, and I talk to a lot of creators about YouTube in general, from absolutely massive channels with millions of followers to really, really small channels across the gambit. And one thing that we always want to talk about is making sure that you're designing your YouTube content so it's showing up to your ideal audience. And with YouTube Shorts, this remains true. You want to make sure that those shorts are getting shown to people who want to see the kind of content you're making. If you're making muscle car videos and your YouTube short is ending up on the grandma who loves quilting short shelf, she's probably not gonna subscribe to your channel. So the importance of making sure that short ends up in front of the eyes of the people who want the kind of content that you make is crazy important. So you want to think about this hashtag as how you can potentially be found by your ideal viewer or people who are searching in your niche. So I have another friend who is a YouTuber and he is really going at it, moving his Instagram Reels onto YouTube Shorts. Yes, that's a whole thing, and yes, you should do it if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments if you want a video on that. And basically, if you're watching this video, this is the same strategy I would tell you to use if you were going to move your Reels over. So he is that person who is moving his Reels over and putting them up as hashtag shorts. So all he was doing was titling them and putting hashtag short. And I kind of reached out to him and said, hey, you might want to try adding hashtag real estate to your title, but I'm going to back that up with some numbers so I'm not just talk. Hashtag real estate has, get ready for this, I'm really bad at reading off numbers, 500,000 people a month are going to YouTube and searching hashtag real estate. Okay, so I'm on my short shelf and I'm still in incognito mode, so my short shelf suggestions aren't being affected by my previous search traffic. And right now, my short shelf is all about affirmations. Let's just imagine that I am one of the 500,000 people a month that are typing in hashtag real estate to the search bar on YouTube. So a whole bunch of real estate videos come up, but what also happens is my short shelf changed that fast. Suddenly, all of the shorts I'm being suggested are shorts that are related to hashtag real estate. Like I showed you with Hallie's, because the hashtags that you choose are bolded in the title, it is super, super seamless for people to find you, or it's also super, super seamless for somebody who is searching for alternate content, but they just happen to be searching by hashtag, which people are on YouTube. It gives a chance for your YouTube shorts to come up on that short shelf. This is where you want to really be considerate about your hashtag. Now, I've helped other TikTokers move over from TikTok to Shorts and move their content over, and we've used common popular hashtags from TikTok like TikTok fails or funny TikToks. So if you're moving TikTok type content over to YouTube Shorts, then that might be a great option for you. If you're a real estate agent, go ahead and use hashtag real estate. The tool I used to find the number of people that are searching for it, that's called Keywords Everywhere. I'll drop a link down below if you want to do a little bit of background research. So let me know, is this something that you are going to try? At this point in the video, I hope I have convinced you that I am a YouTube mad scientist and my obsession with YouTube is real. And I make these videos to help you grow your YouTube channel. So please subscribe to this channel right now if you want more content like this, and let's keep working together to grow on YouTube.